Hello viewer, hope you are doing well. Today I want to discuss about the scholarship. It's called Instant Scholarship of Korea, and Kyung University is going to offer this scholarship. Especially this scholarship is offered for the biological science students. So overall the world, the biological science student can apply for their higher study for this scholarship. And if you accept this scholarship, it really prestigious, and it can cover all of the things, and it can be very helpful to develop your bright future. So let me describe it briefly, and I will tell you how can you apply for this scholarship. You can see here the scholarship university is Kyung University. It is South Korean prestigious university, very good rank, and their research level is really high. So the department of basic oriental medicine, that means is biological science students scholarship. You can apply for your master's degree, and I will let you know how can you apply. So please keep in touch and watch this video. So this is the advisor or professor name. So under this professor you can get your master's or your PhD degree in his lab. So this is the address of this university and the laboratory. So you can see the Department of Anatomy and College of Oriental Medicine. So this is the address of this university and laboratory. So in here they describe about the organizations. That means the laboratory. About this laboratory they just put brief information in here. So you can see here that this is the university, and they recruit the full-time graduate students for master's course who are interested in basic research and development. So what kind of work they normally do? They normally analyzing the pharmacological effect. That means pharmacological effects of many kinds of product, or chemical or phytochemical or synthesized. So they normally check the herbal medicine. So they collect the herbal medicine and they check the pharmacological effect. And finally they also check the metabolic bone disease such as the osteoporosis and fracture. So medical students also can apply for this scholarship. It would be good for increasing their higher knowledge about this topic. Who are interested about the osteoporosis or who want to develop your career on osteoporosis, then you guys can apply for these scholarships. Anyways, what kind of fund they normally get from the government? So we know that Korea University get a lot of fund from the organizations of government as well as private companies. So they normally get the fund from the National Research Foundations of Korea and also the Ministry of Health and Welfare. So this institutions or these organizations are government organizations, and their fund is very high. So they also publish many kinds of paper in international journal like ACI level journal, as well as they have some patents. So every year they normally try to develop the patents, as well as they want to publish ACI journal paper. So how can you contact? You can see here that there is a person Kim Min Soon. So you can contact with him by this email, or if you living in the Korea, then you can call by this number. There is also the lab content or laboratory research content. So you can check here that the anatomy departments or oriental medicine. So in this department or in these sections they are looking for the students. So they also tell here that their purpose of research, they normally trying to develop the technologies that can be industrialized as drug developments. So they are more so the focus of their research is to develop the drugs, as well as to make the patents, and the patent could be helpful in future to use in the commercial way. So I already told you that they analyze the pharmacological effect of medicinal plants or herbal medicines, and finally they also work for metabolic bone disease as well as osteoporosis or fractures. So if you don't have any kinds of lab experience, you can also apply for this scholarship, because this is the master's program. So if you just finish your graduate or bachelor, you can apply for it. So the application period will be start like this for the first semester, but the first application you have to send by the email, and the application, how can you deal, like they say it here that the screening method and the submitted document. So I will discuss about this later. First of all, I want to discuss here the recruitment conditions. So they need the master's students, and what kind of support they will provide, like they will support your tuition fees as well as living expense and the insurance and all of the other things. So this is the location of this laboratory. So you have to stay in Seoul for doing your research and for getting your master's degree. So how can they select? First of all, they select the candidates by screening the documents, and if you are selected by the screening of documents, then they will call you for interview. Call you for interview means they can take the interview by Skype or through the internet like Zoom or Google Meet or something else. If you finally selected, then you can come for this scholarship. You can come to Korea or Kyung University for pursue your master's degree. So what kind of document you have to submit? First of all, your resume, this means curriculum vitae or CV, and second is cover letter, and third is your certificate and transcript. So this is the document you have to submit for this scholarship, and the other informations is also same, that the applications benefits is something like this, and also the submission documents. And in here you have some opportunities to do some kinds of research activities, like you can participate in domestic and international conference. So this is the deadlines. I normally tell you that this is the instant scholarship offer or announcement, so the deadline is normally very short time. So in here they mention that the deadline is from September 23 to September 31. So you have to apply within this period. Application system is very simple, that's why the application period is also very short. Like you have to prepare this document and you have to send this email through this email to this person, and then if you are selected finally, then they will contact with you. So this is the overall process, guys. If you are really interested, then you can apply for this scholarship, and please keep in touch and share this video. I will make more video for you guys, and see you in next videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and have a good day.